Yeah.
Yeah, I've seen people do that. My friend wasn't doing that. No, I was watching. I was oh my gosh. I was gonna stop and feel like actually have to like use gravity. So watch out for that.
Thank you so much. Ayan na, eksklusibo. Yan, kaya dapat maging mindful kayo sa mga gamit nyo dito. Nakakabasa na pala ako. Thank you so much Netflix for Virgin on Season Allow. Alam mo, winimish ko lang naman. Maliban sa hindi ako magkademonya po ay may biday sila. Tingnan. Oh wow, they has. Meron palang biday ang London yan. It's so weird. Kasi parang oh, okay, period. So guys, I'm gonna be enjoying my stay here in London. Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! It's fine. It's cool. Beh, namin yung ina-update ka na. Guys, I'm that girl, Mia. Good morning. Opo, it's 6 o'clock in the morning. And we is here in London. You know what I'm saying? You know I love a London boy. I enjoy right there in the afternoon. It was like American smile when I come undone. Then I'm in the afternoon. Then I'm in a high street. Then I'm in a die street. Then I'm on a sim street. And kala niyo hindi ko alam yung lyrics. Hindi ko lang talaga tinatama para na makapiright. And I'm so grateful na, you know, I get to travel while working. You know what I'm saying? She's that girl. She's that it girl. You know what I'm saying? Wait, alam mo, okay, simulan ko na pag-rant ko. Naiwan ko yung makeup kit ko sa aeroplano. So, hindi ko alam. Pero alam nyo, good thing na pinadalhan ako ng makeup artist ko ng makeups na nakahiwalay dun sa aking makeup kit. So, thankful ako talaga to Miss Tazia for always supporting me kahit wala siya dito. I was invited po by Netflix here in London. Thank you so much po for the Bridgerton Season of Love. You know what I'm saying? So, I will be celebrating my February alone in London. Kala nyo na, ang freaky! We are about to get ready. Samahan nyo ako as I fuck it up. To be honest, hindi talaga ako nang makeup. Kasi bakit kailangan ko pa ng makeup? Ang ganda-ganda ko. Kimi! I mean, I do my makeup, yung mga pang everyday, you know what I'm saying. Pero kung parang like glam and all, si Miss Tasha, si Sir Dale na bahala sa akin dyan. Opo. So, yeah, kinakabahan ako. Opo, kasi parang hindi ko alam. Hindi ko alam. And guess what? It's 5 degrees. Nabigin kasi talaga ako kasi napapansin nyo, parang wala na akong fats. Nakakainis. Ba't wala akong fats? Nipis ko! Nipis! Dapat daw ibababa ito tapos ididikit. Nagawa ko to nun eh. Lumikit ka na please. Wala na akong oras. Period. Oh my gosh. Galing ko. Girl, ang galing ko. Get into it, yeah. If you're gonna judge, I say get into it, yeah. Fuck. Ang ganda ko. Grabe. Sino to? Alam mo, to be honest, parang wag na ako mag-makeup. Ang tapang mo naman. Parang tumatapang ka na ata, ah. Pakahayo. Period. Sana sumagot siya. Mestas!
Pagliwanan, no?
Kanta mo naman!
Nag-video pa pa? Nagigigil talaga ako sa'yo, Kay.
Ano to?
Yan nga yung base. Paulit-ulit tayo,
Base.
ha?
Ito.
Ayun yung base mo. Sa sa face.
Ayaw nga
Tama
pala.
na yan. Baka mamaya magmukha ka chinchatsu. Loko. Tomboy ka, no?
Bakit, be?
Galing ang mag-fake.
Ate! Ganda.
Send mo picture.
Sige, te.
Love you, te.
Love you, te. Bye, te. Love you. Enjoy. And here's my look. Hey, guys! So, this is my look for today. It's giving Bridgerton, you know what I'm saying? Ganda! Outfit breakdown. I got this polo from Aymer. This coat from H&M Studios. Skirt is from Sasa Jimenez. Actually, nagamit ko na po to sa isang event. And the bow. Look at this bow. This is from Hamu. I love Hamu. Hi, Ham and Mamu. Thank you for this bow tie. And the best part about the skirt, boom! Pockets! You know what I'm saying? Super, super, super love this look. Hindi mo sure kung lalaking character ka ba or babaeng character ka ba. Kasi like, pwedeng siyang character. So, itong atake niya. Fashion, fashion, fashion. I love fashion. My boots are from Acne Studios. My bag is from Acne Studios. And I'm listening to Nico Mukumo. Nico Mukumo. Drink your water, bitch!
We're in London.
Yeah! And we're off to
Bridgerton.
Bridgerton!
On the set.
Bridgerton ba yun? Yung tawag nun?
Ano?
Hindi ga, yung place.
Hindi.
We're off to
So
the
we're gonna
Bridgerton
go
set.
where they
Yes.
shoot.
See ya, see ya! Design activity. Hey guys, we're here for our last activity. So kami po ay magdi-design ng aming own Bridgerton outfit. And I'm so excited because this is my element. It's really been a long time since I sketched po ulit. So I guess
Sketch ka talaga.
yeah, so meron silang mga naka-prepare stencil. It's gonna be fun. So, ang turo sa amin sa CSB sa school is you start with fabric. Because dun ka makakapag-decide kung ang silhouette mo, is it gonna be structured, kung kaya ba ng fabric mo yung ganong silhouette, yung ganong bigat. So nice. That's so cool. Thank you. Yes, thank you so much, guys. Hi guys! So today is the day that the Lord has made. Ang mga ibon na lumilipad. Hey, ay mahal ng Diyos. Ba't ako nag-fuck it up? Today po ang red carpet, so mag-get ready na naman po tayo. Opo. Feeling ko nakapag-practice na ako kahapon, pero I don't know what the universe is up today. Yung siyang huwag ka kasi pumikit. Pumipikit kay. Huwag ka kasi pumikit. Period. Alam mo, sa totoo lang, kung afam-afam lang talaga ang parents ko, hindi ko na kailangan mag-contact lens. So, kasalanan nyo talaga. Kimi! Okay mo! Thank you, universe. Grabe. Tada! So nice. Okay.
Mukhang delikado na naman ako. Bakit ba kinikilig na naman ako?
Ang laki! It's so beautiful! Ang ganda! Nakakatawa yung Jeremy San Cebucci nilagay nila. Parang prom ang atake. Thank you so much!
Eat pa more.
Gutom na ako, te. Talk about reggae. Now let's turn it loud. Even though it's your baby, let's fulfill us the same. I guess it's taking a while to see what's I need. Never gets invited to. Yung Citizen M? Hey guys! I'm with Beth and Francis! Friends sila ng editors ko, tapos in-introduce lang. Grabe naman yung hangin! Para kaming mga kamnes sa freezer. Ay, may lip balm! Kailangan ko pala ng lip. Grabe yung ADHD! Hindi na. Ayan, so in-introduce lang ako ng editors ko sa kanila through GC, ganyan. Pero nag-meet na kami before. And ilang years na kayo dito?
Siya 3 years. Ako, mabuhan niya pala.
Okay, so parang dito na sila nag-work and dito na sila base. Gagala lang kami since tapos na ako magtrabaho. So excited to explore London. Let's go! Ano ba? Lamig ho. Grabe, sobrang lamig. Welcome to Binondo! Hey guys, we're here in London, Chinatown. London, Chinatown? Yeah, London, Chinatown. So we're going to eat Italian food. Talagang as Asian, no, kahit saan tayo pumunta, we really look forward to eating mga Asian. Sige po. Shout out sa kanya. And here in Chinatown, surprisingly, hindi siya masyadong mahangin. Perfect na kumain sa labas. Pero mag-ingat daw kayo Yung mga tropa ko dito, naka-duty. Finally, rice.
Yeah, I've seen people do that. My friend wasn't doing that. No, I was watching. I was oh my gosh. I was gonna stop if it actually happened. Like he's grabbing me. So watch out for that.
Thank you so much. Yeah, ganda video like. Ayan na, eksklusibo. Yan, kaya dapat maging mindful kayo sa mga gamit nyo dito. Oo, buti ginanon mo ba?
Friend niya ako eh.
Kasi
hindi ako na.
Para tayo mga Pilipino, parang bilib na bilib tayo sa mga kabayo. Ang rana naman ganda sa Tagaytay. Sa Tagaytay na kayo pumunta, gagastos pa kayo papunta London. Panghi! Ba't ang panghi dito? Di ba na may bakas dahil sa kabayo naman? Oo nga, sa kabayo naman. Kasi sabi ko kung ganito lang rin naman yung amoy dito, uwi na lang din ako sa ate. And we're here in St. James Park. Yeah, St. James Park. Hoy, ang ganda dito. Nasa central lang kami pero ang rami ng pwedeng puntahan. Nakakatuwa. Hindi na kwento ko sa kanila kasi parang all throughout my stay here, hindi umaraw talaga. Kung pumunta sila, doon lang nagka-araw. Siguro anak araw kayo. Ay, ang laki! Yun rin sabi ko sa kanya.
Ipakita mo ba?
Ay, sorry. Ito pala, Uy, ang laki! Maraming ducks dito sa London. Ducks talaga dito, no? Sa London. This one. Ay, hindi. Ayan. Nakikita nyo, guys? Kung di na kayo, bobo nyo naman. Anong tawag dito? Replicants? Ano yun? Pelicans pala. Oo. Ang laki, Mga reptile kasi yan na ano, pelicans, mga replicants. Diba nangangain din sila ng ibang ibon? Yan yun! Meron daw kakilala nangangain ng ibon. Pero hindi siya ibon. Wow! Tama kaya oras niya? Parang late yung kanya. Yung telephone booth nila dito parang photo booth na. Kasi pinipilahan.
Kasi yan yung iconic na photo booth. Tignan mo.
Diyan lahat.
Okay. Ganda. Tsaka dito, yung mga photo, ang ingay naman, nagbablog ako, alam, ambulansya pala yun. Kaya, tsaka alam nyo dito, nalulunod na ako. Paano ba tayo baba? Yes. I do, no problem, no problem.
Nagaling ko sa vlog ko.
Ay, nalagay kita. Mahal po, mahal. Okay lang po, sige tara na po. Kasi i-edit ko rin naman po. Parang ako yata naging photo booth dito mga. Thank you. Kahit wala naningil ako dito. Yes. Really? Hindi nyo naman kilala? Let's go. Tira mo mga apak. Yeah. Thank you. Ay, di po. Mga ano na ngayon, nakikisabay lang ko yun. Sikip naman ng pintuan nila dito. Ito lang siya. Nabi yung pintuan, ang liit. Paano, labang pa rin talaga ang Pilipinas. Philippines #1 pa rin. London Bridge. Ganda! Hi guys! Another day here in London. Trying a new restaurant po. It's called Chefs. Nireto po to sa akin. Friend kong chef, si Chef Pao. Medyo malayo ito sa pinagsistiyan po ngayon. Pero the food is nice. Yung food po nila is parang American Thai confusion. Naku-confuse ng infusion. Di ba infusion or inflation? Inflation. Actually, ang sarap. Parang worth it yung gutom ko sa biyahe going here. Pero if you're staying around the area, better to try this one. Ang sarap ng pineapple niya. Burger.
With that, this thing goes.
I need control.
What? Yeah.
Hi guys! I'm here again with Ate Kim, the one and all. Hello! And we're here in a vintage store. So mag-uukay tayo dito sa London. Actually, itong store na to, medyo may kamahalan talaga siya. Ay, yung Very Bridgerton. Ang ganda! Or baka masyado siyang, ay hindi, maganda to. Ang ganda ng leg ko. So we're gonna try this vintage fur. Ay, gina. Bagay sa mo ngayon. Tinabahan naman natin. Fantasy? Yes. Oo, fantasy. Parang hindi siya fluffy enough or okay na. I like her. Actually, I like it. Or dapat mas mahaba pa. No? Or hindi kasi yung sleeves niya, andito na. Like a teddy bear jacket. She's very now. This one I like because parang wala pa akong type of coat. Wala rin cotton ng lining, wool and something. So yan, pag nag-ukay kayo, tingnan nyo yung mga material para kasi alam kung saan mo siya gagamitin. Paano love na? Oo, paano labhan, tama. Do we like the coat? Oh my gosh, it's so nice. Ito mas unique. Kasi ito parang nakikita mo everywhere. Yeah. Mahilig ka oversize. Oo. Pero parang wala siyang shape. Yun lang yung worry ko. Parang it's too lousy. Down! Yeah, thank you so much. Tingnan nyo, may nahanap akong brown dress. Parang siyang slip dress. Search kaya natin, the brand is 16 Arlington. Red. Ayan siya. UK brand. Okay. Hey man, can't up with that and what tax na yun. Mahal pala siyang brand. Gaga ka, nagtutuhan. Tingnan mo naman kung original price nito o. Mga $1 sa dollars. No.
So, Miss Ada.
Parang 10% of the original price. Hey guys! So, yun nga, we're here in Notting Hill. So this is known because of the movie po ni Jessica Parker. Jessica Parker yun, te, mamaya, every ako. Si mamaya, si Ai pala yung bida dun.
Jessica Parker nga.
Gaga, Jessica Parker is the, Sex in the City.
Jessica Parker nga din, Notting Hill.
Julia Roberts, okay mo. Ayan na, si Julia Roberts pala ang bida sa Notting Hill. Hindi ko pa kasi napapanood yun, pero maganda daw talaga yung movie na yun. Opo. If you live here, where did you live? Tay, tapos na, where did you live? Where do you live? So kapag daw sinabi mo na Notting Hill, oh my God, you're rich. Ay, like, Forbes.
Forbes, yeah.
So this is like the Forbes.
Yes, Forbes
of London.
London, yeah.
Oh, tinanong ako, where do you live? I live in Green Hill. Kukumpuni ng mga silang cellphone.
Pero ang unique nito, hindi siya private kasi a lot of tourists.
Totoo.
So it's a bit like awkward kasi paano kung nakahubad ka sa bahay?
And sabi rin ni Kim, kaya masaya mag-thrift shopping dito kasi kapag sawa na sila, dinodonate nila sa charity shops. Tapos doon ka mag-ukay-ukay. Kaya tingnan mo, yung nakuha ko parang
Steal.
It's a steal kasi $2,000 yun
So nabili mo ng
200. Oo. Gaga, more than 10%. Ay, hindi, 10% lang.
10% na binayaran mo.
Oo. So nice, like pumunta kayo dito if you're into like vintage jewelries. Oh, this is so nice. But it's meron silang ganito.
Solder couple more on the rings like this.
So this is armoring. Yeah.
Ooh. Like the joint literally 2 weeks ago to like fell to the bit.
Perfect. Do we like her? It's so nice.
What?
Nice. You know what? Actually, mas na-appreciate ko yung Margot. I got this from London, vintage shop in London, so parang it tells the story. Oo nga. Mine Cristala, paki-comment. Mine Cristala.
Ayan, tinabi ko na.
Well, how long should I? Or just say what?
Sabi niya, no.
Oh, tas di mo na alam kasi sundok taas. Ang dami niya na sinasabi na, girl, Mimi ko?
Oh, your name.
Yeah. Mimi ko. So big, even on my tongue. Yeah.
I kind of want.
Yeah. Oh well. Yeah. Thank you so much, Steph, for your patience. And with that, we won't buy any.